In this video, we're going to review the process to change the toner for Brother TN630. What is seen in the video is a TN750, but the procedure is the same. The first step in replacing your toner, you're going to want to shake it back and forth a few times. And of course, open the bag. Remove the toner from the bag. You need to open the printer. Remove the old toner. Pressing down on this lever here, goes straight up. To remove this plastic cover, just push forward. And in the same manner as removing the old one, place it in the drum. On all models, you'll have to slide this back and forth a few times. And then place it in the printer. You're all set. All right, that about wraps this video up. This is Lars. If you have any questions about anything you saw in this video, please comment below if there's a comment box, or else you can email us, customerservice@yoyoinc.com. Until next time.